Hey, have you ever wanted to create your own book cover without needing fancy design skills? You can totally do it using Canva. It's super easy to use and free. And I will show you how to make a professional looking cover for your KDP book in no time, ready to bring your book to life. So let's get started. So hello everyone, I hope everything's doing well first. And welcome back in another video. I'm glad to be here and show you the step-by-step how to create a KDP book cover with canva.com. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So first let's know what is Canva. Canva is a free online design tool that lets you create all sorts of visual content like book covers, social media posts and flyers as well. Without needing any design experience, it's perfect for making a custom KTP book cover because it has already made templates and easy drag and drop features to help you design a professional looking cover in just a few steps. Alright, so let's get started. So firstly, all I have to do is just come back to the top right and you will find two buttons, one of signing up and one of login as you can see. So I already have an account, that way we don't have here the button of sign up and log in because I already signed up, and this is the homepage as you can see. All I have right now, I will just come back here in the top right and I will click over home. Then you will find this page as you can see. So let's get started right now. So we have just to link your email address and your password, then you get started with this one. But before, if you want a KDP book cover, firstly you have to dive into KDP book cover template and you'll find here up the platform of Amazon.com. Why we should or we must use this one, because if I will click over create a design, we'll find here one thing which is the custom size. You have here the width and the height and also the units. If I will select the pixels, and we have here inches, millimeters and centimeters as well. So about this one, you have just to click over here and you'll find this page. You have to select all these options that could help you to select yours. All right, so let's get started right now. I was just here. Firstly, we found here print cover calculator templates on Kindle Direct Publishing as well. We have it to find out the exact dimensions of your cover. Use the calculator. You can also download a template PDF and PNG to be used as a guide layer in your image editing software. Learn more about hard cover and paperback cover requirements. So here we have the thing that you have to choose. For example, we have here firstly pendant type. You have to select the hardcover, paperback. I will select paperback as for example. Then we have enter type. You can just select black and white or premium color, standard color. I will select for example this one. About paper type, you will find this one white paper. About reading direction, you will find here left to right or right to left. Measurement units, you will select inches or millimeters. Then I will select inches. Then we have a interior trim size. For example, I will select this one as you can see. Then about the page count, I will select for example 1100, sorry, and I will just click over calculate dimensions and you will find this page as you can see. Here we have the cover book or KDP book cover template. All right, and we have here description of this one as you can see, width and height, about the front cover, full cover, and we have a various things that you have to know. For example, about the front cover, we have here width of the visible Korea cover area. After it's printed, it's the same width for the back cover too. So we have here also safe area, bleed margin as well. Then we have here spine safe area, spine margin. Then we have here barcode margin as well. All right, so let's get started. All right, right now I will just come back here and I will just firstly see here the full cover, which is 11.47. Then we have here about the height in the inches, of course, 8.75. I will just come back here and I will write the width and the height as well. So I have forgot it. Don't be angry because I forgot quickly. So we have here 11.47. So we have just to remember me. What is it? 11.47. Thank you for your help. 8, and about the height I will select here for let's come back here. About the height we have 8.75. I will write 8 dot what is it, 75. Thank you. And then about this one you will select inches as we can see. So I will just write again dot 11.48. I will write 48. And about this one you will select 8.75, 8.75, and I will just create a new design as you can see, and you'll find this page how it looks about the design and also about this description of the widget and the height as you can see. You have just to get started right now and you customize or you will design your template right now. I'll just right now click over upload. Firstly, I forgot to click over download, sorry, but I will show you how you can do that. I already downloaded. You have just to download also you. If you click over calculate dimensions and you select your dimensions, you have just to download firstly, right? You have just to upload it here. You click over upload files and you search for the download, and I will just here click over all files, then I will select here paperback. Here we have it as you can see, and then you get started by uploading. I already uploaded, that's why. Then right now I will just here, if I want some design KDP book cover, I will just search for it. I will select for example this one as you can see. Also if I want the background I will select this one. I already have this one as you can see. This is the background of this one. It's very helpful to use this one. This is the one that I upload. I think it's better. Alright, I'll put it like that, and here we have how it looks. As you can see, here we have it. Right now you have just to add a text if you want. Also we have here for the elements such as for example if you want some logos, for example logo of social media or something like that, or logo of books or something like that. Then we have brands if you want logos, colors, fonts. Then we have your drawing if you want draw, and other things. You have to select the color that you want and you start drawing as well. So we have also your project application QR code and various things. Right now you have just to click over share in the top right, and you have just to download it and you share it with your friends. You can also here make anyone can access to design using this link. No design is in required as well. I've just went out to get started as soon as possible with this one, and this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you have any question feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead. So, in short, Canva is a simple user-friendly tool that makes creating outstanding KDP book covers super easy, even if you are not a designer. With its templates and customizable features, you can quickly put together a cover that looks professional and stands out on Amazon. Ready to give it a try? So let's get started. So this is it for this video guys. You have just to get started as soon as possible. Sign up, it's very easy. You have just to add your email address and your password. Also here you can use this one, it's very easy. You have to select your opinion type, paper type such as also paper count, and you get started by clicking over calculate dimensions. Then you download your template, and then you have just to click over here create a design and you get started. It's very easy to use Canva to create your KDP book cover template. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.